Embark on a culinary journey of elegance and efficiency with the Utopia Kitchen Nonstick Frying Pan set, a versatile trio designed to cater to your family's varying cooking needs. This premium quality cookware effortlessly combines style, durability, and innovation to enhance your cooking experience. In this review, we'll delve into the features that make this three-piece set a must-have for any kitchen. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. A trio of convenience. The Utopia Kitchen Nonstick Frying Pan set comprises 3 pans, measuring 8 inches, 9 5 inches, and 11 inches, providing a comprehensive solution for all your cooking requirements. From breakfast omelets to family dinners, this set is designed to accommodate every culinary endeavor. Induction-friendly innovation. The induction bottom of these frying pans caters to various cooking preferences, ensuring compatibility with electric and ceramic cooktops. The versatility of these pans makes them an indispensable addition to any kitchen, adapting effortlessly to different cooking methods and environments. Professional-grade durability. Crafted from professional-grade aluminum alloy, these pans are a testament to durability, lightweight convenience, and sturdiness. The robust construction ensures that these frying pans stand the test of time, providing reliable performance for your daily cooking needs. High-quality non-stick interior. Utopia Kitchen takes pride in presenting a high-quality double-coated non-stick interior in these frying pans. This feature not only facilitates easier cooking, but also ensures a hassle-free cleanup. Say goodbye to stubborn residues, as these pans are PFOA, lead, and cadmium-free, promoting healthier cooking practices. Elegant and modern design. The design of these frying pans is a harmonious blend of elegance and modernity. The non-stick copper coating adds a touch of sophistication to your kitchen, making these pans not just cookware, but also a statement of style. Care and maintenance. To ensure longevity, follow the care and maintenance instructions diligently. Wash the frying pans with hot soapy water and dry them off completely before the first use. Use plastic or wooden utensils to protect the nonstick coating, and always let the pans cool before washing. These pans perform optimally at slightly lower temperatures, offering a unique cooking experience. Ergonomic design for comfort. The Bakelite handles are not just aesthetically pleasing, but also ergonomically designed for a secure and comfortable grip. The long handle facilitates easy maneuvering and mixing of ingredients while preventing any spill-offs, enhancing your overall cooking comfort. Induction-friendly for easy cooking. Designed with convenience in mind, these non-stick frying pans feature multi-layered and induction-friendly construction. Experience even heat distribution, making them suitable for all types of stovetops, including electric and ceramic cooktops. Why you need it. The Utopia Kitchen Nonstick Frying Pan set is more than cookware, it's an investment in culinary convenience and elegance. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and understand why these pans are a game changer for your kitchen. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.